This is low beam, high beam. So like I said, a quick review on these HD LED lights. Recommending you get them. Pretty good, really good actually when riding, if you ride at night. So yeah guys, yeah man, so that's a little short little review. It's a vibe. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video, you know, help your boy grow. It's your boy KD Moto Vibes. The vibes is today, early this morning, get these LED lights for your Kawasaki. Alright, ride free, live free, and I'm out.